Alright, let me know if this has happened to you before. You've gone to sleep, randomly wake up, and you have some genius idea. Some idea that may make you some money, it may change the world, it may make $1 million, whatever the case may be. You just wake up and you have this grandiose idea, this fantastic thing going on in your mind, and fast forward about 30 minutes to an hour later and it's gone. You've completely lost whatever your idea was and you're frustrated. Or it may be days later and you think back, oh, what was that idea that I just had when I woke up the other morning? I've had that happen way too many times to actually count my life. I don't depend on my brain to do anything anymore. Not in that sense, at least. What I do now is this, and I got this idea from the recent Watch Me Draw, or the idea for this video from the recent Watch Me Draw that I did, where I talked about how I woke up and I had a dream that I drew a picture of Shredder. Don't judge me, I have painting dreams. That happens to me a lot. I'll just have a dream that I'm actually creating a picture, and I'll just wake up and make the picture. Sometimes it's not always that simple though, and I always need to make sure that I'm keeping track of the stuff that I'm coming up with. That's why I always keep this, and I'm near my bed right now and I know it's right near me, so hold on a second. World title behind me. Never mind. This, composition books. I have a ton of them. I always keep these in handy because, I'm a bit of an idiot. I don't trust myself to keep all my ideas in my head. I'm not gonna do it. So what I do instead is I have an idea. When I go to sleep, I wake up and something just hits my brain, or if that dream was pretty interesting, goes in the notebook. And at work sometimes, just walking about my day or doing whatever, idea hit me, write it in the notebook. I have been on the road in traffic and something will just spontaneously hit my mind, or I'll see something that'll just create an idea in my head. I will pull the car over off to the side of the road, stop, put it in the notebook. That last one actually has got me the middle finger quite a bit of times in traffic. But anyways, all my ideas and anything that comes to my brain, I always log it down right in here. And I have a ton of these. That's why if you've seen me in my videos and you've noticed that I have my tote bag on me most of the time, I have this in here, and you'll also a lot of the time see me with pencil in my ear. That's mostly because I always have to make it a habit. If something hits my head, I gotta write it down. I'm not gonna try and just depend solely on my mind and my brain to remember everything that I have going on. And I'm also like most people, I forget a lot of stuff, so I always keep my ideas with me at all times. It's basically like I have my brain on file. This is how I come up with crazy ideas for paintings. This is how I come up with crazy ideas for videos. This is how I come up with ideas for my webcomic. A lot of stuff just goes into my notebook, and it's just food for thought for any of you out there. And get a couple dollars, go to a drugstore, get a pencil, and or I'm sure you can find a pencil somewhere. Not advocating stealing, but just go somewhere, and if they have like the pens or something, take a pen from somewhere and go out and get a couple dollars and buy yourself a notebook. It doesn't even have to be a composition book. They got those little small like hand size or pocket notebooks or whatever. Get one of those, just something to make sure you can track your ideas with, and it's always close to you. You always have it on you, and make sure you have more than one just in case you lose one. I've done that before too. I know I lost the idea book at a restaurant one time. Somebody found my book and they just have some, if they can decipher what I wrote in there, they got some crazy stuff that they just stumbled upon. But in any event, that's my little vlog for the day. That is my rant, and I'm getting to work. I had the pencil on me anyways because I'm working on Shadow Assassins. I have a new update this weekend for my webcomic, and I have a ton of other stuff that I need to get done too. So I'm about to get back to work. Like the video, leave a comment if you've had this happen to you, or if you actually have your own unique way that you keep your ideas. If you do, let me know. I'm always looking for new ways to sort of keep my mind in check. Or if this helped you in any way, just leave a comment. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below. And y'all have a good one. I'm out.